Today's world is being consumed by technology. It is used in everyday life. This technology is used to help with labor, but sometimes this labor that is being taken over will negatively impact society by taking jobs. Governments across the world must educate everyone in the impact of furthering technology so everyone can prepare to advance into the new age and not be left in the shadow of technology. Machines today are taking over jobs and make the normal human not needed to do a task, driving down the economy. Just like today, in Aldous Huxley's novel, Brave New World, humans are made to work in their caste system and work a job, taking over the life from those in the savage reservation. These machines are shown in the form of a human in the novel Brave New World. Brave New World is a novel that shows a not so far away future utopia. Humans are genetically engineered to fit desired caste in the corrupt society. Humans not in the society are part of the savage reservations, an outcast part of the world where people are not as advanced as those in the government. The main protagonist, Bernard, eventually visits the savage reservation and is able to see into the world government and how corrupt it is apart from the reservation. A man named John does not fit into either part of the world, the savage reservation or the world government. He sees the world government as something much worse than the savage reservations, but the pressure of not fitting into either group leads to his suicide. Aldous Huxley wrote Brave New World in 1932. During the late 30s, there was a hysteria on machines taking jobs and eventually killing off the human race. A British inventor by the name of Harry May made the first robot that could shoot a target on its own. This robot, after demonstrating to May's friends, then turned towards May and shot at him. This event made national news, bringing a scare across the country on robots killing off the human race. Just like in Brave New World, today's society also sees the same fate that those in the savage reservation faced. They are not needed and can be replaced by technology at any time. Technology is taking over jobs, making the normal human not needed to do a task, or not technologically skilled enough to work the job, driving down the economy. As said by Donald Davis, a professor of economics at Columbia University, technology has been identified as the key reason for rising U.S. wage inequality, while labor market rigidities are often cited as a key reason for European unemployment. Due to the rapid pace of technology's evolution, many humans fail to keep up. Those who fail to keep up with technology become less valuable to their companies, which then leads to them receiving less money than those who can keep up with the pace of technology. As said by Andrew Settner, a graduate from the University of Columbia, some estimates indicate that as many as 47% of current jobs could be replaced by technology. The reason for this is because machines are made to be better than humans. While this helps companies, this does not help the economy. Due to a major loss of jobs from the machines, the economy will take a major hit from the many unemployed workers. In order to stop this downward slope, the people must accept change and learn how to use new technology. According to Michael Fitzgerald, a general manager at MIT, 78% of respondents from a survey said that achieving digital transformation will become critical to their organization within the next 2 years. Because so many companies want to advance with technology, a worker must want to move with the company. If they do not want to change, they will be replaced by someone or something else. As more people are able to work in the new era of technology, those who cannot keep up with this new era are pressured to retire early. Because they retire early, more jobs open up, but they are taken by machines for time convenience. If one was to not retire and was to adapt to new technology, there would be no rush for a machine to take over a job, allowing the economy to stay afloat. Some people think that machines should take over jobs because they can do the same thing a human can do, but faster and more efficient. But, as said by Joe McKendrick, a graduate from the University of Temple, full automation will be less significant than human labor would. With full automation, jobs will become less cost efficient because the machines are programmed to do one job. A human can provide more use than a machine can in any company because humans can bring new ideas to the table, which have the possibility to bring upon a greater economic growth. The machine-like humans in Brave New World take over the jobs in their society from those in the savage reservation, just like the machines in the real world. The only way to stop this is to not fall behind the pace of technology's evolution. If one does fall behind the pace, they will be replaced by technology, which will lead to an economic downfall. The people must learn to adapt to the new technology in order to keep today's society afloat. A world where machines do all of the labor would destroy the economy. If the people would fail to stop this possible future, then everyone will fall into the shadow of technology.